Dive into English. Unpacking. Ready for a splash. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations. We're going to explore what it means to be ready for a splash. So, grab your notebooks, and let's jump right in. First things first, let's break down the phrase, ready for a splash. At first glance, it's about preparation, ready for, and an action, a splash. But is it just about getting wet? Not really. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, often used metaphorically to express eagerness or preparation for something exciting, new, or even challenging. Literal meaning. Literally, ready for a splash could mean preparing to jump into water, like a pool, a lake, or the sea. It's the excitement before taking a plunge, ensuring you're mentally and physically prepared for the sensation of water. Figurative meaning. Figuratively, this phrase takes on a broader significance. It's about being prepared for an adventure, a new experience, or something that's going to make waves in your life. It implies readiness to embrace change, take risks, or try something out of the ordinary. You might hear ready for a splash in various contexts. Personal development. When someone is about to embark on a new journey, like starting a new job or moving to a different country. Social events. Before attending a big party or event that's expected to be lively and exciting. Projects and initiatives. When a team is about to launch a new project or initiative that's innovative or groundbreaking. Let's see how it's used in sentences. 1. After months of preparation, our team is finally ready for a splash in the tech world with our new app. 2. Are you ready for a splash? This summer vacation is going to be one for the books. 3. She felt ready for a splash, signing up for the marathon after years of casual running. These examples show how versatile and dynamic the phrase can be, fitting into various scenarios where excitement and readiness converge. And there you have it. Ready for a splash isn't just about getting wet. It's a vivid expression of anticipation, excitement, and readiness for what's coming next in life. We hope this video has shed some light on this colorful phrase and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the beauty and depth of its expressions. Thanks for watching, and we hope you're now ready for a splash in your English learning journey. See you in the next video.